Welcome to the Naseems Accountants YouTube channel. Today, we will discuss how to find self-assessment unique taxpayer reference on the HMRC app. The HMRC app is a quick and easy way to find your self-assessment unique taxpayer reference. You'll need this 10-digit number to complete your self-assessment tax return. The app is free and secure, and you can use it anytime, on any smartphone or tablet. Once you've signed in, there are two ways to find your unique taxpayer reference. The first way is to tap on Your Details. And here you'll see your unique taxpayer reference number. Now you've found it, you can copy your number and save it somewhere safe. Or if you have a tax agent, accountant, or bookkeeper, you can send it to them. To do this, just tap on the copy symbol and then go to the place or document where you want to save it, and paste it. The second way to find your unique taxpayer reference is from the main menu, under Self-Assessment. Here you'll see your number. To copy it, tap on the copy symbol. You'll also see what tax you owe and when it's due, and you can make a payment here. You can use the app at any time to find your unique taxpayer reference, so you won't need to call HMRC. Once you've used the app, you can sign in again using your 6-digit PIN, facial recognition, or your thumbprint. You can download the app from Google Play for Android devices, or from the App Store for Apple products. For personalized assistance with your taxes or any queries, contact us today for a free consultation at 01217714161 or visit our website at www.naseems.co.uk. Our expert team at Naseems Accountants is here to help you navigate through your tax obligations seamlessly. Subscribe for more valuable insights, and we look forward to assisting you in the future.